Hello dear, I hope you are doing very well. So on this video I'm going to share with you the secret of Arabic coffee and how to serve Arabic coffee. So if you will stay with me in my full video, you will see how we are preparing the Arabic coffee and how they are serving Arabic coffee. So here it is, 1 liter of water and 4 tablespoons of Arabic coffee powder. Here I am going to add 1 pinch of saffron, which are very important, and the secret is coming here: cloves, 4 to 5 cloves, and the main things are here. Of course, the main things is the coffee powder, but this cardamom powder is more than important for your good flavor, which one is really good when you are holding your cup, when you are holding your coffee cup. That time you will get a really strong flavor of this coffee for this cardamom powder. So I think you got it. So this is the ingredient for the Arabic coffee. I hope you are enjoying, and in the meantime, this is always I'm gonna tell you, if you are new here and if you are really enjoying my video, so you can consider your subscribe to my channel. I'm Leonard Corraya. You can see my name down of this video, Leonard Corraya. So yeah, that you can consider your subscribe by click the subscribe icon and press the bell also. So when I'm going to upload my new video, you will get my video very soon as far. So this is the Arabic flags. This is how beautiful, very cute. The Arabic coffee flags and Arabic coffee cup here. So after finish the boiling, this is up to you. If you want to strain it, you can strain the coffee here into these flags. If you don't want, never mind, leave it. So like this. Yeah, and in the time I'm going to show you how we are serving the Arabic coffee, and we call it Gahwa. The Gahwa basically are serving by your right hand, and serve your Gahwa. First time make it half. You can see here, make it half. Half is much good for the coffee. If they want more, they will request you to make it full. After that you can make it full. So if they don't want, they will shake your hand like this. They will shake your hand, so it means they don't want. So this is the Arabic coffee and we call it Gahwa. I hope you enjoy it, and really thanks to you for watching.